little bit. Yeah, you can see it.
Okay, you're gonna have to really edit the part where I find this ring.
Easy open, eh? It's a lie.
That's what they say. It's a lie.
Mm-hmm. Here's a baby. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video today on Bluegrass Homestead. I know we haven't seen you in a while, but we plan on making some more videos and keeping things up around the homestead. If you have any comments or questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment box below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. And today we want to ask you if you will go to the channel Ultimate Gardening with our friend Emmanuel. He's a young man who is working very hard to do what he can to teach others and learn as he does it. So please go support his channel and tell him we said hi. Thank you. Have a great day.